When creating a new marker, first enter the marker definitions. Then, select a TUKA design style file for this marker. Use the order dialog to define the number of bundles and other piece information for this style. In the bundles table, enter the number of bundles required for each size. In the rotated 180 column, enter the number of bundles to rotate 180 degrees on the marker. Click the Reverse List button to reverse the order of the sizes in the bundles table. Click the Hide Unused button to hide sizes with 0 bundles. Click Show All to show them again. On the left side of the dialog, the style name populates automatically, but can be changed if you wish. In the Select Material for Marker field, enter the name of the material for this marker. Or, right-click a material code from the Material column, and choose Select Material for Marker. In the Change Bundles Quantities section, use the Multiply by and Set to All fields to quickly edit the number of bundles. For example, to double the number of bundles while keeping the same ratio, enter 2 in the Multiply by field, then click the Multiply by button. To set the same number of bundles for all sizes, enter the number in the Set to All field, then click the Set to All button. To set half of the bundles to be rotated 180 degrees, click the Rotated 50% button. To apply any of these settings only to selected sizes, select one or more sizes from the bundles table, then tick on the Selected Sizes Only option. Use the Scale and Shrink section to add shrinkage to the pieces in X and Y. Watch the Scale and Shrink help video in TUKA Design to learn more about the proportional to 100% option. Tick on Add Info to Piece Description to include shrinkage values on the piece. The bottom section of the order dialog is like a mini pieces list. It includes each piece in the style, the code, description, material, quantity per bundle, side definition, opposite definition, and rotation setting. Any of these values can be edited directly in the table before making the marker. For example, these pieces are all set to one-way rotation, but we can change them to two-way rotation. Please note, piece info changed in TUKAmark will not apply back to TUKA Design. Click OK to finish the order for this style file. To add another style file to this marker, click the Open Style button in the Styles dialog. To edit the order information for any of these styles, select the style from the list and click the Edit Order button, or simply double-click the style. To delete a style, select the style from the list, then click the Delete Style button. Click OK to finish the order setup and start making the marker. To edit the order at any time, go to File, Order, or use keyboard shortcut F2. Or click the Order tool.